Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install the Microsoft Remote Desktop app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type store store. Here opens Microsoft Store. Click open it. Search here Microsoft Remote Desktop. Search MICROSOFT remote REMOT remote desktop. Here opens Microsoft Remote Desktop. You need to check whether Microsoft is wanted by this app and scroll down, check the reviews. 3.49 rating 265. That's it guys. Click on get. Release date 2012 guys. So more. This should work on your device item with trick meets developers system requirements. Available on PC, mobile, Surface Hub, HoloLens, OS, Windows 10 version or higher, Windows 11 also. And the bit it's not working for 32 bits guys, 64 and 86. Click on open. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.